Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, guys. It is Super Bowl Sunday, and today we are cooking up some Asian barbecue chicken nachos. This recipe has kind of been inspired by the chicken wonton nachos from Applebee's. Shout out to Eatin' Good in the neighborhood. Those are one of my favorite apps to get there, and I felt like eating some with the big game, so we are going to make some chicken for those. Now, I am not Asian. I know nothing about the Asian barbecue culture, so if I use some wrong countries' flavors in some of my cooking here, I apologize for that in advance. I am Irish. I've had this chicken marinating in some of this Japanese barbecue sauce all morning, so we are going to get it pulled out of this bag and patted dry now that this marinade has done its job. And we are going to get it rubbed down in some of this sesame ginger crunch. I put it on some ribs and it tastes awesome, so I think it's going to go great on this chicken. Now that we got our meat rubbed down, let's throw it on the pit. I've already got the Traeger cranking at 225. Like I said, it's Super Bowl Sunday. I've been cooking for hours now. We've got the chicken on here on the top shelf. We've also got a rack of ribs wrapped up on here, but I'm doing an experiment with those that you guys will see if it's a success. But we got the chicken breasts on here, and we are going to check back on those in about an hour. Well, these have been on here for about an hour now. I just glazed them, rubbed them down a little bit more, and temped them. They're sitting at about 120 degrees. I glazed them up with some of this Sweet Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki sauce. It is smelling fantastic. We're going to check back in like half hour, 45 minutes. Well, these things are temping around 165, and I'm getting ready to pull them. They are looking and smelling incredible. Now that we got our chicken carved up, we are going to put our nachos together. So what we got here is a tray of wonton chips that I got from the grocery store. And what I got here is just one of those pre-made chopped Asian salad kits I got in the fresh section of the grocery store. I forgot to get a pic or video of the wrappers for those before I threw them out. But what we are going to do is assemble these nachos. We are going to put the chicken on the wonton chips and then put the Asian slaw on top. So let's get this going. Well, there you go, guys. That is how I make some Asian barbecue chicken wonton nachos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for Applebee's for making your delicious appetizer. It is kickoff. I gotta go watch the game. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Deuces.